Hi, my name's Tyler Abear, and I'm with Oceans Healthcare, and this is
Mary Fine with Ametis Home Health.
We're partnering up today to bring all of our friends from Acadiana all the way to Calcasieu Parish to bring some relief effort. We know that when hurricanes hit, we're down on our luck and we need some help. Mary graciously put all of these efforts together, and we are so excited to come and meet you, and Mary's going to give you the details.
So we partnered with UnitedWay of Acadiana to present to you Acadiana Healthcare Helping Hands, Southwest Louisiana. We are here for you. We have collected items across Acadiana to bring you relief after Hurricane Laura. This event takes place October 14th at Stine Home and Yard in Sulphur, Louisiana from 9 a.m. to 1 p.m. Participants can expect to receive essential items, a hot lunch, and education on what our healthcare professionals can provide to them presently and in the future.
While we're rebuilding, we want to make sure you know that the healthcare industry is alive and well, and all of our brothers and sisters in Calcasieu, we can't wait to see you.
Southwest Louisiana, I hear you, I see you, I understand, and I want to help along with my friends in Acadiana to provide you some relief and to show our support.
See you soon.
You can count on us like 1, 2, 3, and we'll be there. Kindred at Home is here to care for you.
Lafayette General Wound Care Center and Med Centers are here to help you heal. Lake Charles.
Anytime, any day you need us.
Embrace with grace.
Embrace with
Grace!
Hey Lake Charles, Ametis Hospice is here for you during this difficult time.
With Ametis Home Health, we are proud to be able to come to Lake Charles on October 14th to show a great support from our Acadiana area, from our family to yours. We are here for you.
Heart of Hospice is here to bring love to your community.
Hi y'all, this is Lori with Smith & Nephew. We are headed to Southwest Louisiana to help you folks to get back to living life unlimited.
Hello Southwest Louisiana, my name is Shannon and I'm with Leading Healthcare of Louisiana. We are here to help you rebuild your community.
Hi, I'm with Elder Outreach and we're reaching out to our friends in Southwest Louisiana.
Southwest Louisiana, the Blake at Lafayette is here to serve you.
Senior Helpers is on our way to lend a helping hand. See you soon.
VideMed is here to help you get back on your feet so you can live your life.
Hi Lake Charles, here at Home Instead we like to keep things personal.
And as Lake Charles natives, seeing the destruction caused by Hurricane Laura really hit home.
Lake Charles, we feel for you.
Hope Healthcare and Hospice is here to restore hope to the great people of Southwest Louisiana.
Hi, I'm from Cardiovascular Institute of the South, and we wanted to bring our hearts and hands to Southwest Louisiana to help support you.
Hi, I'm Jennifer with Right at Home, in-home care and assistance, and we are here to help you get right back at home. We love you, Calcasieu.
Nursing Specialties is thankful for the opportunity to join hands with our friends in Acadiana to help our neighbors of Calcasieu Parish, because together we will make a difference.
Cedar Crest, your loved one's home away from home.
Southwest Louisiana, Garden View Assisted Living is coming to bring you the comforts of home.
Southwest Louisiana.
Oceans Healthcare.
We are on our way to help you recover.
A First Name Basis is ready and eager to help our friends in Southwest Louisiana.
Elara Caring is coming to show Southwest Louisiana the way we care.